train tracks over there. Alright, whatever. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys my 3 dogs. Alright, they're all dirty. We took them a bath yesterday, but something happened to them. But they're my Chihuahua, Shy Shy. The one right there is Barbie, and the white one is Snowball. And this is my cousin Kayleen, the one that she hasn't done her intro, but she'll do it. She'll do it. Alright, and then just like look at the train tracks over there. Whenever you tell Snowball to play dead, he'll play dead sometimes. He'll bring. Hey, you better not start the fight.
Play dead.
Look at her nails. They're all bloody. They're just painted and she's all dirty. So yeah, that's all I had to show you guys for today. So yeah. They sound like a lawnmower, kind of, to me. Well, yeah, to me. That's just weird. I'm weird. Alright, whatever. I don't know. Over there, the train track. You guys want to see our address? I'll show you. See? Can you guys see it from there? Yeah, let's zoom in. Yeah, no. You're not guys are not getting my address. I don't want you guys to come to my house or anything. By the way, I live in LA. Los Angeles someplace. I live in Hollywood. What?
On the wet.
So? I'm just playing. I do not live in Hollywood or anything. I mean, yeah. I live in LA. That's the road. Alright, let's go back. I feel like we're gonna get stolen because there's a guy over there at the park. The park's not the park's across the street from us, but you have to walk down the road more. Alright, let's go eat breakfast. Chewy, because I'm hungry. Haven't ate in all freaking morning. Today. No. I don't want you noobs here.
Play dead.
Hey, no. Make sure you guys close the door.
Play dead.
Look, you're about to play dead right now. I got that.
Play dead.
Don't feed them no Cheetos. I don't want them to get sick.
Play dead.
Hey, why do you have the collar on? Ew, you're all dirty. She got dirty again. Wait, I was just my mom was. Oh my god. Alright, I don't want to pick her up because I don't want to kill the babies if I can. Alright, come on, let's go. Alright. Hope you guys like and subscribe. We'll put that up right about now. Bunch of baby birds, but I love them more than anything. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Alright, their cage is a mess. But where's the baby bird? Oh, there's 2 right there. Alright. Okay. There's them right there. Alright. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Wait, who yelled that out?
I'm just gonna make you.
Like and subscribe now. Not now. Okay. Please like and subscribe. Okay, Mama. Okay, stop. Alright, bye. Alright. Bye. Alright, bye. Alright, say bye.
Bye.